Girl, it's now or never. We rise before the sun. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone. They put us in the fish tanks and fed us with their lies, as procast till they turn our blood to ice. We're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. They never have a chance to take us down. They try to turn our voice into a whisper. We're racing against time tonight. They gather all their armies and summon their allies to squeeze us into cubicles like flies. And we're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. We never have a chance to take us down. We try to turn our voice into a whisper. It's two against the world tonight. And it's two against the world. It's two against the world. 'Cause we're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. Never take us down.
So it has been a minute since I've done any kind of an urbex video. I actually was flying my drone in this building at first, and oh, there's a basement. That's creepy. Due to a navigation system error, I ended up accidentally crashing it in here. There it is right there. A door just slammed behind me. That was really creepy. Anyway, yeah, while I'm in here getting the drone, I thought I might as well make a video. This was the office. Mrs. Pinder. People have really, what an interesting offer. People have really messed this place up. It was actually for sale right now for like $1 million. Maybe before it was destroyed, but I don't know about anymore. Yeah, I think the school's been closed for about 10-15 years, something like that. Classrooms, a lot of damage. Mrs. Moore. So I'm not actually going to say where I am, but if you're from the area and you recognize this place, don't say anything. I was never here. Oh, it's wet back here, almost slipped. This gives me kindergarten room vibes. Huh. You can tell the kids have been here, all the graffiti. Around the back side.